India's education system is a vast and complex tapestry. It strives to provide quality education to millions of children. There are about 255 million children in Indian schools. At the heart of this endeavor lies a critical element: teacher training. Teachers are the backbone of any education system. Whatever we want to achieve, it cannot be achieved without the active participation of teachers. India has about 9.5 million teachers engaged in its 1.5 million schools. They shape young minds and mold future generations. Recognizing this, India established a network of specialized institutions. These institutions are called District Institutes of Education and Training, or popularly known as DIETs. DIETs were established in line with the recommendations of the National Policy on Education, 1986, prepared during the tenure of late Rajiv Gandhi as Prime Minister of India. DIETs were intended to play a pivotal role in the district primary education program, Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, and now Samagra Shiksha. However, their faculty role is currently confined to conducting B.Ed and diploma programs in elementary education. It is important to highlight that DIETs are the only such institutions at the district level. In-service training is largely being imparted by the Block Resource Center. Recently, it has been observed that the percentage of teachers receiving in-service training has declined. The number of contractual or para-teachers in India is also on rise. The significance of DIETs extends beyond just training. They provide ongoing support and professional development opportunities. Ultimately, the work of DIETs contributes significantly to improving the quality of education. This impact is felt in classrooms across India. The genesis of DIET has already been mentioned, can be traced back to the 1986 National Policy on Education, or NPE. The NPE recognized the crucial need for improving teacher education. It aimed to enhance the quality of education delivered in elementary schools. This led to the establishment of DIETs across the country. The primary objective was to decentralize teacher training. Another objective was to make it more accessible to teachers located in rural areas. Prior to the establishment of DIETs, teacher training was centralized and often disconnected from the realities of rural schools. DIETs were conceived as institutions that would bridge this gap. They were designed to be closer to the ground realities. This proximity allows them to understand and address the specific needs of their respective districts. This localized approach is a key strength of the DIET system. The setting up of DIETs marked a paradigm shift in teacher education in India. It signaled a move away from a one-size-fits-all model. It moved towards a more context-specific and need-based approach. This shift was crucial in addressing the diverse challenges faced by the Indian education system. These challenges range from regional disparities to varying levels of teacher motivation and preparedness. DIETs are envisioned as vibrant and dynamic institutions. They have a multifaceted role in strengthening the education system. Their primary objective is to improve pre-service and in-service teacher training programs. They do this by incorporating innovative teaching methodologies and promoting child-centered pedagogy. DIETs also play a critical role in developing locally relevant teaching learning materials. They conduct action research to address specific educational challenges within their districts. To effectively achieve these objectives, DIETs are structured into various departments. Each department focuses on a specific area of teacher education. The Curriculum, Material and Evaluation, or CME department develops curriculum frameworks. It designs teaching materials and conducts assessments. The District Resource Unit, or DRU, focuses on training teachers. It helps them integrate technology into their teaching practices. The Work Experience department equips teachers with vocational skills. These skills can be imparted to students, fostering their holistic development. The Pre-Service Teacher Education, or PSTE department, manages the training of aspiring teachers. It prepares them for the classroom environment. The In-Service Teacher Education, or ISTE department, conducts workshops and training programs. These programs are for existing teachers to enhance their skills and knowledge. This multi-departmental structure ensures that DIETs cater to the diverse needs of teachers at all stages of their careers. It enables them to contribute effectively to the holistic development of their students. DIETs offer a range of programs to cater to the diverse needs of aspiring and practicing teachers across India. The flagship program is the Diploma in Elementary Education, or DL-Ed. It is a 2-year diploma program that prepares individuals for teaching at the elementary level. This program focuses on developing pedagogical skills, subject knowledge, and an understanding of child development. DIETS also conduct a range of in-service training programs for practicing teachers. These programs aim to keep teachers updated with the latest educational trends and introduce them to new teaching methodologies and assessment techniques. Recognizing the importance of inclusive education, DIETS also offer specialized training programs for teachers working with children with special needs. These programs equip teachers with the necessary skills and knowledge to create inclusive learning environments where all children can thrive. DIETS also play a crucial role in promoting adult education and literacy programs. They contribute to the government's efforts to empower marginalized communities through education. With a focus on reaching every corner of the country, India has established a vast network of DIETS. As of 2023, there are over 1,000 DIETS operational across various states and union territories. This extensive reach underscores the government's commitment to providing quality teacher training opportunities across the country. The presence of DIETS in both rural and urban areas ensures that teachers from all backgrounds have access to professional development opportunities. This commitment to equitable access is crucial for achieving the goals of universalization of education. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel of Professor Arun Mehta and press the bell icon and visit his official website educationforallinindia.com for analysis of latest data. Thanks.